I'm looking at question 12 of the Georg Mohr maths contest, round 1 from 2006. It says Peter is going to meet some of his friends. He does not know exactly how many they will be altogether. Every number between 2 and 8 is possible. On his way he passes a huge bowl of sweets, and he's allowed to take as many as he wants. What is the smallest number of sweets he must take to ensure that the sweets can be divided by him and his friends, so that everyone gets the same number? Okay, so essentially here we've got any number between 2 and 8 sharing some sweets. So it says he doesn't know how many there will be altogether. Altogether, every number between 2 or 8 is possible. Okay, so the number here includes Peter himself. So there can be anything from 2 to 8 people, and you've got to be able to divide the sweets amongst all of those numbers. So we're looking for a common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So essentially the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I'm going to think about how these break down into prime factors. So 2 is just 2. 3 is just 3. 4 is 2 times 2. 5 is just 5. 6 is 2 times 3. 7 is a prime number, and 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So first of all, we've got to think about the prime numbers. So whatever number we have, it's got to be divisible by 2 and 3 and 5 and 7. It's also got to be divisible by the other numbers. So it's got to be divisible by 4, which is 2 times 2. So if we've already made a number that's divisible by 2, then we only need another 2 in there to make it divisible by 2 times 2. To be divisible by 6, it's got to be divisible by 2 times 3. But if it's already divisible by a 2 and a 3, then it will be divisible by 6. And then similarly with 8, to be divisible by 8, it's got to be divisible by 2 times 2 times 2. But if it's already divisible by 2 times 2, then it only needs to be divisible by another 2 in order to be divisible by 8. So the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. So that's 8 times 3 times 5 times 7. How can I do this quickly? 24 times 35. 3, 5, 2, 4. Let's quickly do this. That's 140, and that's 70. So it's 840. So the answer is, in fact, 840, and that is indeed one of the options, option D.